In a small coastal town, a stubborn warehouse worker watched waves and wondered if handmade goods could travel farther. They started by selling online, learning every setback from late shipments to broken glass, with grit and relentless curiosity. A pivot came when they partnered with local artisans, turning surplus scraps into stylish, sustainable packaging that customers loved. 5 years later, their brand ships worldwide, proving that patience, community, and honest craft can outsail doubt. The tale travels not as a miracle, but as a map for others dreaming of impact through practical, persistent steps.